Hello, it's me again. Just when you think you've had enough of one Rachel, you have another one. I just want to very quickly show you this application here. It's called Kizoa. And Kizoa is essentially like Windows Movie Maker, iMovie. The advantage of it is that there's an iPad, an Android application that you can download. So you're not relying on your students or yourself to have the software that's going to work together very quickly. So it's exactly like Movie Maker. You sign in, you create an account. You can create from templates or from scratch, depending on what you want to do. I think it's just a simple movie, so I'm going to go from scratch. You choose your size, so 16.9, standard size. Enter, and then you can drag your photos from your computer, from Facebook, from social media, from your computer. You drag and drop photo and video from here. So that's the key difference between this and Animoto. In Animoto, you have just videos where short little clips where you're speaking. In this one, you can add long pieces of video. Essentially, it's drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, and you can add little pieces of text here too. The most important thing when it comes to using Kizoa is that you save your work as you go. It doesn't have a cloud-based saving option like Google Drive, so you need to be really, really careful. It's a free application. I only show you things that are free. It's free, it's basic, it's simple, and it can help you to create really nice, simple, effective videos, or your students to create really nice, simple, effective videos for PBL. A great way to film a final product to show to the rest of the class, or for yourself as an entry event, or for the flipped classroom idea. I'm going to hand you back to real Rachel now. Bye.